Hello, I'm happy to have you back here today. Congratulations for taking the time to do this new session. The question is not to know if you have the time, but to take that time. You have decided to take care of yourself, and rightly so. During this session, I would like you to pay special attention as I guide you in a body scan. Even if this exercise seems useless to you or unpleasant, take the time to notice which body parts feel comfortable and which ones feel uncomfortable or neutral. Your mind may be absorbed by the tense areas or may reject them. Also take time to notice the areas that are relaxed. Simply map the way you feel your body. Becoming aware of your own body is essential to calming down your mind. Remember to be still and to do nothing. Your mind will come face to face with itself. Enjoy your session. Sit on a chair with your feet flat on the floor. Sit cross-legged or kneel on the floor. Back straight in a relaxed and dignified attitude. Or if you want to, lie down. If you wish, you can close your eyes or keep them half closed. Take one deep breath through your nose and breathe out slowly through the mouth. Repeat 3 times. As you are breathing in, I would like you to turn your attention to your tummy as it expands. As you are breathing out, notice how your body, your back, your shoulders, your forehead, your jaw are able to relax a little more with each out-breath. Also, observe how small tensions are disappearing as you breathe out. Your breathing is like an anchor for your attention. Breathe naturally. Just notice where, inside your body, you notice the back and forth motion of the breathing movement. Your abdomen, your diaphragm, your chest, your nostrils. If you notice that your mind is chattering all the time, simply become aware of this and, without judging yourself, come back again to the rhythm of your breathing and, if you wish, to counting each breath. While staying perfectly still, notice the sensations inside your body. How does your body really feel? Spend a few moments with your attention on each part of your body, one by one, scanning the body from the top of your head to the tip of your toes, feeling every part of your body. Become aware of the weight of your head on the floor, if you are lying down. How relaxed or tense is your face? Become aware of your face muscles, of your eyelids, of your lips, which are softening. Check if your jaw is relaxed, if your teeth are still shut together, if your tongue is loosening away from the palate and resting behind your lower teeth. Move down slowly to your neck, to your shoulders, to your upper back. Put the spotlight of your awareness on the top of your spine and make it move down your lower back. Moving on now to your chest, your diaphragm, your stomach, your hips. Just experience where your body feels relaxed or comfortable, but also where it feels uneasy or tense, and also where it feels neutral. Imagine your attention like a magnifying glass, exploring your body. The abdomen and stomach, the kidneys. And move your attention to your pelvis and all its delicate organs. Explore each sensation. Move down now into your left leg, the adductors, the thigh, the knee, the calf. How does your left ankle feel? And now observe your left big toe. What do you feel? If you feel nothing, just notice it. Do you feel your sock or the air? Is it warm or cold? Now do this with the other toes of the same foot. Do they feel the same? Now expand your awareness to the sole of your foot, in particular the heel and the bone under the big toe. They support much of your weight. And again, if you don't notice any significant sensations, it doesn't matter. Just take it as it is. Don't worry if your mind wanders. It's inevitable. As soon as you realize that you've been distracted, that your attention is gone, simply note where it has gone and bring it back to the physical sensations of the body scan. Now do a body scan of your right leg. Are your sensations different there from your left leg? And lastly, I suggest spending a few moments on the cocoon of your skin. It's everywhere and is in contact with different fabrics or with the air, more or less cold or warm, dry or damp. Now imagine that this whole organ of your skin is breathing in and out. That actually is what the body does through the skin. Imagine the air coming into your body through your skin and diffusing through the layer of your tissues and muscles. Then imagine the air being exhaled by the skin. Concentrate on each inch of your skin breathing in this way. And again, slowly turn your attention to where you are, at your own pace. When you feel ready, you can calmly open your eyes if they were closed, and stretch if you want to. A last tip regarding the end of your session. Take a moment before getting back to your activities, rather than jumping like a tiger, which has just been released, or getting on your smartphone or laptop. Try to go back slowly to your daily routine in order to allow this state of mindful presence to last a little longer. Take the time to listen to the bell and the conclusion. What did you notice today? Were you scanning your body at the beginning of this exercise? Did you also scan the tiniest parts of your body, such as your nose, your fingers, and your ears? This is what it means to be open and curious to every sensation. Your body is the most useful tool you have to live your life. Take good care of it. To extend the benefits of this meditation and remain in this mindful curiosity a little longer, take 10 seconds at different times during the day and try to feel the sensations associated with your breathing inside your body. See you soon.